Ever felt stuck on a job site because you didn't have the right HVAC tool? What if I told you a few underrated tools could save you hours of frustration? You see, most HVAC techs carry screwdrivers, wrenches, and gauges. But the real pros, they know the power of overlooked tools. An infrared thermometer helps you spot temperature issues instantly. A telescoping magnet rescues lost screws in tight spaces. And a digital psychrometer ensures perfect humidity control. These tools aren't just nice to have, they make or break your efficiency on the job. The difference between a technician and a master? The right tools. Want to know which HVAC tools separate pros from amateurs? Read our blog to know more. Link in the bio.